Little Rock Car Accident Lawyer, Keith Law Group. Were you injured in a Little Rock, Arkansas car accident? Keith Law Group is here to help. In this video, we'll discuss the role of a car accident lawyer, how an experienced car accident attorney from Keith Law Group can help you secure maximum compensation for your injuries, the process for filing a car accident claim in Arkansas, and much more. Our Rogers Car Accident attorneys provide personalized, compassionate legal representation tailored to meet the unique needs of each client. Whether you're facing mounting medical bills, lost income, or the emotional toll of a serious injury, we are here to fight for your rights and help you on the road to recovery. An experienced car accident lawyer from Keith Law Group can help you investigate the accident and gather evidence, file a personal injury claim, communicate with medical and insurance providers to document injuries, handle all legal paperwork and court filings, build a strong legal strategy, engage in settlement negotiations with the insurance provider of the at-fault party, represent you in pre-trial motions and hearings if necessary, advocate for you in court if the case goes to trial, ensure you collect any judgment or settlement awarded. Each law firm's fee structure is different, but at Keith Law Group, we believe clients should not be financially burdened just so they can access justice. That is why we operate on a contingency fee basis, which means our payment is contingent on winning your case. If we successfully recover compensation for you, our fee is a percentage of the settlement or verdict. This structure allows you to pursue your claim without worrying about the financial burden of hourly legal fees. You only pay us if we win your case, making legal representation accessible for everyone. This ensures our focus is entirely on securing the best possible outcome for your case. The aftermath of a car accident, especially one in which you're not at fault, can be confusing and overwhelming. Knowing what to do in those critical moments can make a significant difference in your recovery and in the strength of any legal claim you might pursue. Taking the right steps can help protect your health, preserve crucial evidence, and ensure you can secure the compensation you deserve. Steps to take after a car accident in Little Rock include: ensure safety and seek medical attention. First, check yourself and others for injuries. Call 911 for any injuries, no matter how minor they may seem. It's essential to seek medical evaluation immediately, as some injuries may not immediately appear. Contact law enforcement. Always call the police to report the accident. A police report is a key piece of evidence that can help establish fault and document the details of the incident. Gather evidence at the accident scene. If you can, take photos of the vehicles involved, any visible injuries, and the surrounding scene. Collect contact information from witnesses and exchange insurance details with the other driver. Avoid admitting fault, even partial fault. Be mindful of what you say at the scene. Avoid making statements that could be interpreted as admitting fault, as this could be used against you later. Notify your insurance company. Report the accident to your insurance company, but be cautious about what you say. Stick to the facts and avoid speculating about fault or the extent of injuries. Contact an experienced car accident lawyer after taking care of your immediate health and reporting the incident. It is crucial to consult with a reputable car accident lawyer. Evidence is the cornerstone of successful car accident injury claims. As mentioned previously, crucial evidence can be gathered at the accident scene, but other types of evidence will be produced after the accident occurred and in the recovery process. Our team can help you to gather and retain evidence crucial to your case. Potential evidence in an auto accident claim may include police reports, official documentation of the accident details, including fault determination and citations issued. Medical records, detailed documentation of injuries sustained, treatments received, and ongoing medical needs. Witness statements, testimonies from individuals who observed the accident or its aftermath, providing an unbiased account of the events. Photographs and videos, visual evidence of the accident scene, vehicle damage, injuries, and road conditions taken at the time of the incident. Expert testimonies, opinions from accident reconstruction specialists, medical experts, or other professionals who can provide insight into the cause and impact of the accident. Insurance correspondence, communications with insurance companies regarding claims, settlements, and policy details that could impact your case. Damages refer to the total amount of losses, economic and non-economic, incurred as a result of a motor vehicle accident and subsequent injuries. If you are considering claiming car accident compensation, it's important to understand the specific damages you may be entitled to. The best car accident lawyers, including those at Keith Law Group, will thoroughly calculate your losses in order to advocate for maximum compensation. Possible economic and non-economic damages in car accident claims include medical expenses, cost for hospital stays, surgeries, doctor visits, rehabilitation, medications, and any future medical care required due to the accident. Lost wages, compensation for income lost due to the inability to work during recovery, as well as potential future earnings lost if you are unable to return to your previous employment. Property damage, the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle and any other personal property damaged in the accident. Pain and suffering, compensation for the physical pain and emotional distress caused by the accident and your injuries. Loss of consortium, damages awarded for the impact of the injuries on your relationship with your spouse or family, including loss of companionship and support. Permanent disability or disfigurement, compensation for lasting impairments or visible scars that affect your quality of life and ability to perform everyday activities. Although this is one of the most commonly asked questions we receive, it is very difficult to state what the average car accident compensation is. Compensation varies greatly and is based on the total damages incurred in an accident. You can watch our video on average settlement amounts to learn more. Seeking immediate medical treatment after a car accident is critical not only for your health, but also for the strength of your legal claim. Timely medical care documents your injuries and establishes a clear connection between the accident and the harm you've suffered. Failure to seek prompt treatment or follow medical advice can be used against you in court, with the liable party's insurance company arguing that your injuries were not severe or worsened by neglect. Mitigating your injuries by adhering to prescribed treatments shows that you've taken reasonable steps to recover, which can affect the compensation you're entitled to. Courts and insurance companies expect victims to act responsibly in managing their injuries to avoid further harm. Seeking treatment and following through with care strengthens your legal standing and ensures that you're fully compensated for your losses. Arkansas uses a modified comparative fault system with a 50% bar rule, meaning that if you are found to be 50% or more at fault for the accident, you cannot recover compensation. However, if you are less than 50% at fault, your compensation will be reduced by your percentage of fault. The deadline for filing a car accident injury claim in Arkansas is known as the statute of limitations. In Arkansas, the statute of limitations for personal injury claims, including car accidents, is generally 3 years from the date of the accident. This means you must file your lawsuit within this timeframe, or you may lose your right to seek compensation for your injuries and damages. There are certain exceptions that may extend this deadline. For instance, if the injured party is a minor or if the defendant leaves the state of Arkansas after the accident, the statute of limitations may be tolled or paused until the minor turns 18 or the defendant returns to the state. Additionally, if the injury was not immediately apparent, the statute of limitations may begin from the date the injury is discovered or should have reasonably been discovered. It's essential to consult with an experienced attorney to understand how these rules may apply to your situation and to ensure your claim is filed on time. Statistics show that more people choose to drive with bare minimum auto insurance coverage. More than 16% of Arkansans are not insured. If you've been hit by an uninsured or underinsured driver, you may still be able to recover damages through your uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage or other insurance policies. This coverage is designed to protect you when the at-fault driver doesn't have sufficient insurance to cover your medical expenses and other damages. In Arkansas, there's a statute that mandates that insurance providers offer you uninsured motorist coverage, which can provide coverage for uninsured motorist bodily injury, UMBI, and uninsured motorist property damage, UMPD. In many cases, your policy will also cover underinsured drivers who have some liability insurance, but not enough to fully compensate you. Depending on your specific situation, you may be able to pursue compensation through a personal injury lawsuit if other avenues are unavailable. It's important to consult with a skilled auto accident attorney to explore all possible sources of recovery and ensure your rights are protected. At Keith Law Group, our experienced attorneys understand that every car accident case is unique, and they tailor their legal strategy to meet the specific needs of each client. From gathering evidence and assessing damages to filing claims and negotiating with insurance companies, our team ensures that every detail is handled with care. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, our attorneys are prepared to take your case to court, fighting aggressively to secure the compensation you deserve. We pride ourselves on compassionate client care and relentless advocacy, aiming to ease the burden on accident victims and help them move forward. If you've been injured in a car accident, don't navigate the complex legal process alone. Contact Keith Law Group today to schedule a free consultation with one of our skilled car accident lawyers. Use the chatbot on our website to find out if you qualify for a car accident case instantly. Keith Law Group, representing the injured across Arkansas with care.